I'm going to be opening a package we've gotten from Walmart. So it comes with a really cute red shaggy haired dog, and it also comes with a really cute blonde haired dog. Cat. The dog's name is Bigley. I don't even know anymore. Bigley Barney. Oh, let's say Bigley Barney. Okay, forward to this cat. So the cat's name is Pixie. You know what? No, I'm done. It's Bigley Barney and Pixie Petite. Yup. No. Yeah, we should probably start opening this. Yeah, let's go do that. So with that wasn't as hard as I expected. Look at him. He's so gorgeous. Hi. Bigley. Bigley Barney. Anyways, it comes with this little speech bubble. So I want to go. I'm thinking of palm trees or broccoli and little pink pots. And then this Bigley Barney. Bigley Barney has green eyes, like green eyes. He has red shaggy fur and white shaggy fur. And right here it kind of looks like a bone. Here's a little scan thing. You could scan it right now if you want to. I don't really care. And this, like, its head's still rubber. My friend got one and its head was not rubber. It was like these heads. So here's the cat. This is Pixie Pickle, or no, Pixie Pickle, Pixie Petite, and she has really light blue eyes. She has blonde hair and she has light streaks up on her head, and she has a lighter coat right here on her chest. Why do I keep doing that? So here are the stickers it came with. Pixie Petite is crying, and then Bigley Barney looks like a girl, and then it shows the helicopter. Now this is the helicopter. This is actually really cute. This is really cool. Whoa! This is awesome. This is really cool. I'm gonna put them in here, and then so I'll be back. By the way, I was so young yesterday. I didn't know that I was starting till I tasted you. I don't need nobody to give me the touch. Oh wait, what? Oh shoot! Sorry that I was singing. So this is what they look like. This is a yellow helicopter. I'm guessing he's like the driver. Wait. It's like, no, I've seen one of these. I've seen the games. I've seen a game, and it has that dog. It has this dog in it, and what it does is the dog goes like in a winter wonderland and saves some guy. So he's like saver dog, lifesaver dogs, and I'm guessing that's why it has this little ambulance sign. And I'm guessing she's hurt or something. I don't know. This really reminds me of a sled. So, that is all for today. Now, another unboxing video. Please leave which husky me and